Nowadays English has become hawa. Whenever we listen English from someone other's mouth, we think, wow, he or she is so good in English. After that, our wants get increased to speak English language. So if you really want to speak English language, just follow 3 steps and you will be able to speak English very easily. Hey, I am Dev. I am going to tell you about 3 things which makes you perfect English speaker. So now you may have heard a song, definitely it is going too much popular and famous. The song is Sunai Deti Hai Jiske Dhadkan. Now there is one line in this song, it contains a lot toughest and hard work, that is Jehale Maskin Makun Baranjis Bahar Hijra Bechara Dil Hai. Just see how much toughest hard words it contains. Still, there are many people who are able to speak, who are able to use it. Even the children too, they are able to do that. They are able to speak. How? Because of listening. They listen multi times and they are able to speak well. It means listening gives a lot impact behind speaking. If you want to speak something, you should be the good listener. Just listen. I'm not saying that just listen the songs and any video. No. Where you have the interest, just watch that particular things in English. You can watch cricket, you can listen cartoons, you can watch any type of things where you have interest, and watch and listen in English. And now you will be able to speak English language because you are doing practicing by listening. You know the structures of English. You are doing the practice. The third is grammar. If you really want to speak English, so just get some grammar too. Do you know what? There are some people who are able to speak English without grammar, and there are some people who are able to speak English with grammar. But if you really want to get perfection in your English, if you want to make your English perfect, you need some type of grammar. I am not saying grammar is everything. I am not saying grammar is nothing. For getting perfection, we need grammar. To speak fluently, quickly, in a sec, where you get an answer and you just try to speak and you spoke it. You don't think, whatever you are coming, whatever you are thinking just come in your mind in English. That is called perfection. You start to speak English very perfectly and you are speaking English very well. So you need some grammar too for being the perfectional. So now let's come with the grammar. How can we speak over the grammar? Just suppose there is one rule of present continuous, raha hai, rahi hai, rahe hai, and the rule is subject is verb की first form ing object. So now just let's frame the sentences. मैं खा रहा हूँ, I am eating, वह जा रहा है, he is going. So how can we communicate and make a paragraph in it? How can we speak in it? Let's talk an example of a person who is going on a job. Now he is getting up early in the morning, then he is getting ready for his job, then he is going to his job, then he is doing his work, then he is taking his computer, then he is coming his house, then he is going market, then he is purchasing some vegetables, then he is talking with neighbors, then he is coming to his house, then he is talking with his wife, he is telling her about whole day, then he is sleeping with her wife. Right? Just try to speak English language, nothing else. See you soon. Bye.